It's your boy Glenn coming to you for the win. Yep. And I'm back with another video, you guys. What it is. What's up? And today, I'm coming with you guys to another Tesla video. And this is the first time I'm getting my vehicle, Trinity, as you know, professionally washed. Now I'm gonna tell you guys who I'm getting it washed by. It's the Wiz Wash, and she and the company do a great job taking care of cars. If you live anywhere in the Southern California area, you can definitely contact her. I'm gonna put her handles in the description below and probably on the screen somewhere. But she's about to wash my car and it's about to get down. I'm about to see and show you guys exactly how good she could be. And for those of you who just wonder how you're supposed to wash a Tesla in general, because it's suggested that you don't take it through those car washes with the machines because it can mess up the sensors. I have never put it in through one of those. The only times this car has been washed is by me hand washing it myself. And this time I'm gonna see what my girl can do in the Wiz Wash company. So let's get it. All right, you guys, now to introduce you to the owner of Wiz Wash is Wiz Khalilah herself.
Oh, I'm on my way, baby.
There we go, there we go. So there she is. And if you want to see all the work that she's done, go ahead and check it out on her Instagram channel, all right? Tune in with y'all soon. Alright, you guys, so Trinity is all cleaned up. I am back on the block right now, but I just had to give her a huge shout out because she did a great job, as you guys saw. And also, in case you guys didn't know, she got her brand on lock, baby. She got her Riz Wash Black Ice with her brand on it, so I'm definitely gonna be putting that in the car, making Trinity smell real good. And she got her stickers, you know what I'm saying? So these are some things that you get when you come to the Wiz Wash and get a nice wash, you guys. So make sure you guys hit up Wiz Wash on Instagram, check it out, and get your car washed as well. All right, so with that being said, you make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, you guys, and I must let you know right now that you have reached Glenn. Holla back at me again. Peace.
I'm a FLIGHT space ATTENDA. Yeah, don't you know what that mean? If you marry me, then you fly for free. I'm a FLIGHT space ATTENDA. Yeah, don't you know what that mean? If you marry me, then you fly for free. Yeah.